Hey everybody, I just wanted to let you know about something that you may not have heard about, and it's the fact that you can now communicate with your teachers using Gmail. This way they can get your messages a lot faster and they can communicate back to you. So I just want to show you very quickly how you can use it. The first thing you want to do is obviously go to uh, Google Chrome. I assume you're on your Chromebook, and you have to be logged in as you as a student. Click on the new tab, get a new tab, and on the new tab, you look over here and you'll see it says Gmail. It's real quick and easy. You don't have to type anything. You just click on the Gmail. Okay, and once you do that, Gmail will open. And you can see if you received anything. Right now I have nothing there, and you probably will have nothing there too. It says here, enable desktop notifications for Pleasant Valley School District mail. I would click on, if you have a chance, I would say, okay. And that way, if you're on your Chromebook, and you get a mail from one of your teachers, and it says allow here, I'm going to allow it, then it'll show up as a little tab like the one that's sitting down there getting in my way. So here's what you can do. If you want to send if you've received an email, you'll see it right here. But if you want to send an email, all you have to do is go right here to where it says compose. And you don't even have to know your teacher's email address. All you have to do is start typing their name. So if you had Miss Mock, there it is. And you would just click on that. Let's say you want to send it to another teacher at the same time. You can send it to all your teachers at the same time. So if I wanted to send it to Ms. Feinberg, I could just start typing her name. Notice I didn't type the whole thing, but it pops up. Okay, and do yourself a favor and do your teacher a favor as well, and add a subject. Don't just send an email without a subject, because we'd like to know what you're writing to us about. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to write a demo, and I'm going to, and if you hit the tab key, it moves from place to place. And I'm just going to send them both a note. Dear Ms. Mock and Ms. Feinberg. And it's always nice to start an email like that rather than saying what you will. This is not a text. It's an email, so it's like a letter. So it's nice to sort of introduce it with dear, or at least the name of the person. I'm demonstrating how to send an email. Sincerely. And then please put your full name, because sometimes we have the same students in our class with the same first name, so it helps us a lot. And you can also tell us maybe what period you're in. That helps too. So I'm just going to write my full name there. And I'm going to write technology teacher, because I don't have a particular period. And once you're done, you click send. Now, if you want, you can pop it out like this to make it a bigger screen. And then you get all these things that you can use down here. You can send little faces and so forth and so on. You can change the color of your font and generally what you would do in word processing. But when you're done, you just click on send. And now I just sent an email to Ms. Mock and Ms. Feinberg, and maybe they'll write me back and maybe they won't. But this is now a way that you can communicate with your teachers very easily, and they can communicate with you. So from this point onward, every time you get onto your Chromebook, do yourself a favor and do us a favor and check your Gmail. All right? Have a good day.